This is ATM Unit 2 Matrix Review, Matrices Review. This is video. We'll cover number 3 through 11. Please show your work. Answers only will not be acceptable on the test. I will not give you full credit. On number 3 through 8, it says simplify. Write undefined for expressions that are undefined. Okay? Before I start, a little reminder regarding multiplication. If you have a dimension, your first one is a row by a column, and you multiply a row by a column. This is your dimension. Just make sure that these two has to be the same for you to multiply. And when those two are the same, then your new dimension will be whatever the outside term is going to be. Okay? Keep that in mind as you are doing it. Let's look at number 3. On number 3, you have a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 3. Notice how the column and the row of these two are the same. So therefore, you are able to multiply these two. And your new dimension will be a 2 by 3. Okay? Let's show your work. You're going to take the first row times the first column. So 6 times negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative 1. Excuse me. There you go. Okay? First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 6 times 5 minus 2 times 6. You're always going to be adding. First row, third column will be your third column right here. So 6 times 6 minus 2 times negative 3. Okay? And there's your work. And I'm going to write my answers up here. Second row, first column. So negative 2 times negative 2, 2 times plus 2 times negative 1. Negative 2 times your second column plus 2 times 6. Okay? Second row, third column. Negative 2 times 6 plus 2 times negative 3. And there you have that. All right? I'm going to erase this because it's a little long. So let me make it a little shorter for right here. Right. I'm having issues with tape. There we go. Okay. Now I am going to simplify. Okay? Let me see if I can get this fixed. There we go. All right. Now you can do all the other work on your calculator if you like. But here's my solution. Notice it's a 2 row by 3 columns. Okay? So negative 2, 6 times negative 2 is negative 12 plus 2. And if you want to, you can do all this on your calculator, just like so. Okay? Which I'm going to do. 6 times negative 2 minus 2 times negative 1. That comes out to be negative 10. All right? Next one, 30 minus 12 is 18. 36 plus 6 is 42. Okay. 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative 10 plus 12 is 2. Negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. And there's your solution in red. And this is my work. Okay. There's number 3. Number 4. You have a 2 by 2 and you have a 2 by 2. So you are able to multiply. And how do you know? Because of that dot right there. All right, here we go. First row, first column. 1 times 3 plus 2 times negative 6. First row, second column. 1 times 4 plus 2 times negative 2. Okay. Second row, first column. 2 times 3 plus 6 times negative 6. Second row, second column. 2 times 4 plus 6 times negative 2. By the way, don't use commas. Just leave a little bit of a space. Okay? Don't go and use commas. All right, let's go ahead and simplify these two. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Okay? I'm going to use my calculator just to double check my math. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 36 is negative 30. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. And there's your solution for number 4. Number 5. Okay, let's take a look at number 5. Number 5, you have a 2 by 3, and you have a 3 by 2. Notice how these two are alike, so you are able to multiply them, and your new dimension will be a 2 by 2. Let's show our work, okay? First row, first column. So 1 times negative 5 plus 6 times 6 plus 2 times 0. Excuse me. First row, first column. Okay, here's your second row, second column. First row, second column. 1 times 5 plus 6 times negative 2 plus 2 times 3. Notice your new dimension is going to be a 2 by 2. Second row, first column. 4 times negative 5 minus 5 times 6 plus 4 times 0. 4 times 5 minus 5 times negative 2 plus 4 times 3. Okay. And there's your work. And I'm going to use my calculator to help me do the math. Okay, here we go. So I got negative 5 plus 36 plus 0, which comes out to be 31. Next one, 6 minus 12 plus 6 comes out to be 0. Okay. My apologies. Let me try that again. 5 minus 12 plus 6 is actually negative 1. I knew that didn't look right. Okay, so this is actually negative 1. There we go. Second row, negative 20 minus 30 plus 0 is negative 50. Next one, 20 plus 10 plus 12. This one is 42. And there you have your solution for number 5. Number 6. You have a 2 by 3 and a 2 by 3. Do you see how those are not the same on number 6? Since these two are not the same, you are not able to multiply them, and so your solution is undefined. And let me write that in red, because I've been doing it in red for all my solutions. So it's undefined, okay? Number 7. On number 7, you have a 2 by 3 and a 3 by 1. My rows and my columns are the same, or my columns and my row, however you want to see it. And so I can multiply these two, and my new dimension will be a 2 by 1. All right? Here we go. So it's going to be a 2. First row, first column. Negative 4 times 4 minus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 3. Second row, first column. Negative 1 times 4 minus 4 times 5 plus 1 times 3. This is you showing your work. Okay? And so the answer to this one will be negative 16 minus 10 plus 9. Negative 17. Okay? Second row, negative 4 minus 20 plus 3. Negative 21. And there's your number 7. Number 8. Okay? You have a 1 by 2 and a 2 by 2. These are alike, so I can multiply those two together, and my new dimension will be a 1 by 2. Alrighty? So one row. First row, first column. Negative 5 times negative 5 plus 3 times negative 2. First row, second column. Negative 5 times 4 plus 3 times negative 6. And there's your 1 by 2. Okay? So here's my solution. 25 minus 6 comes out to be 19. Negative 20 minus 18 comes out to be negative 38. Notice I did not use parentheses, just leave a little bit of space. And I have a 1 by 2. Okay. On number 9 through 11, you are to evaluate your determinant. So, a little reminder, if you have a matrix, A, B, C, D, okay, your determinant will be, hang on just a moment, okay, your determinant will be A times D minus B times C, okay, so that's your determinant. So let's take a look at number 9. You're going to take negative 4 times 5 minus 5 times negative 5. All right? So your determinant will be negative 20 plus 25 comes out to be 5. Number 10. Same thing. Okay? So, let me get my right pen. 5 times negative 4 minus negative 7 times negative 1. Alright? So your determinant is going to come out to be negative 20 minus negative 7 times negative 1 is positive 7. This comes out to be negative 27. And there's number 10. On number 11, 9 and 10 were 2 by 2, but on number 11 it's a 3 by 3. So what you need to do is you want to rewrite the first column, negative 2, negative 5, and 3. Rewrite the second column, leave yourself some space, okay? Now, you're going to multiply all the way through these guys. And then you're going to subtract all of these. See it right there? Okay. So, basically, here's your A, B, and C. Here's your D, E, and F. Okay? You're going to take A plus B plus C minus D minus E minus F. Another way you can look at it is A plus B plus C minus D plus E plus F. These guys are exactly the same. Alright? They are exactly the same because a negative times a positive, notice how you change your sign. Alright, so to do your work, let me show you. You will take negative 2 times 0 times 0 plus, next diagonal, negative 5 times negative 2 times 3 plus, okay, negative 4 times negative 5 times negative 1 minus, I'm going to follow the first one. Now I'm going to go up. 3 times 0 times negative 4 minus negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay. Let's see if I can make this a little smaller so you can kind of see everything I'm writing. Next one, continue here, minus 0 times negative 5 times negative 5. Alright, and then all I have to do is do my calculator work. So here we go. Okay. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. I'm going to mark that off. Negative 5 times negative 2 times 3 is negative 30, okay, plus, parentheses, negative 4 times negative 5 times negative 1, okay, minus, parentheses, well, 3 times 0 times negative 4 is 0, so you don't have to do anything there, okay, so minus, negative 1 times negative 2 times negative 2, parentheses, is 14, anything times 0 is 0, so your determinant is equal to 14. Okay, there you go. I want to be sure, so let me check my math again. This is 10 times 3 is 30, plus 20 times 1 is negative 21. Okay. Alrighty. 0. And then you have -1 times -2 is +2. -2 times the -1 is +2. Let me check my math. I am not liking the numbers I'm seeing. Okay? -5 times -2 times 3 equals plus -4 times -5 times -1 equals minus -1 times -2 times -2 equals, it's 14. So that is correct, okay? And so that's how I just did my work. Good luck on your test. This part is showing your work. Here is showing your work. Here is showing your work. Answers only will not be getting full credit on your test. Good luck. I will do the next page in the next video.